The eye has been called the window to the soul. Now, some in the medical community are discovering it may be a window into health and nutrition as well. Eye disease is one of the most common causes of permanent disability in the United States. More than 20 million Americans age 40 and older have cataracts, and 10 million Americans age 60 and older have age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. These eye diseases occur as we grow older, and proper nutrition may have some effect on both of them.
In my 35 years of practicing ophthalmology, I am convinced that eye disease is caused by three important items: poor nutrition, the accumulation of toxins in the body, and stress.
Several green leafy vegetables such as spinach and kale contain the most antioxidants, which protect your eyes by reducing damage related to oxidizing agents that can cause age-related eye diseases. However, the vast majority of the American diet is extremely harmful to our eyes, and experts caution against eating foods that over time can cause serious eye conditions.
The traditional American diet, consisting of genetically modified food, preservatives, and high fructose corn syrup, is destroying our health and vision.
Dr. Edward Kondrot is the world's leading homeopathic ophthalmologist who devotes his practice to traditional and alternative therapies for the treatment of eye disease. His prestigious Center for Healing the Eye, located in Dade City, Florida, just outside Tampa, promotes wellness of sight, body, mind, and spirit.
My belief is that the body can heal itself, and my goal is to restore lost vision. We use therapies like microcurrent stimulation, syntonic light therapy, oxidative treatments, homeopathy. All of these are non-surgical treatments that not only help treat the underlying cause of disease, but they also act as a catalyst to help the body heal itself and restore vision.
The center treats patients who seek holistic, non-invasive therapies for eye problems that include macular degeneration, glaucoma, cataracts, eye strain, and other eye disorders. Dr. Kondrot has a worldwide following because of these successful therapies. Well-known author and psychologist Dr. Basha Kaplan came to Dr. Kondrot for treatment of glaucoma.
For 10 years, I had taken glaucoma drops. I was diagnosed with glaucoma. I had emergency cataract surgery in both eyes, and then I developed epiretinal membrane, where within 1 month my vision went from 20/30 to 20/50, and I didn't know what to do. I was just freaked out, and Dr. Kondrot gave me back my life after I went to his clinic.
When we went to Dr. Kondrot, he did established a whole protocol of treatments for her, which was both microcurrent machines and light therapies. And since that time, Basha's eyesight has improved tremendously, and she has a whole new life now because of it.
About 10 years ago, I was diagnosed with macular degeneration. The subsequent diagnoses that I had all confirmed that it was either wet or dry, but that there was no hope. My research brought me to Dr. Kondrot's clinic, and from that, it also brought me hope that there was something we could do. And he stressed not only different therapies, which have been important, I think, in my treatment, but also the nutritional value to condition the body to withstand this disease.
At the Healing the Eye and Wellness Center, we emphasize an all-organic diet consisting of fruits and vegetables.
Kondrot is the pioneer in the field. Dr. Kondrot developed the protocol that is now being implemented here. He's had remarkable success. It's incredible. As a matter of fact, when I first heard about it, I didn't know whether I even believed it or not, but I certainly do now.
At the Healing the Eye and Wellness Center, we carefully evaluate every patient for nutritional deficiencies and toxic metals. Most patients need a nutritional IV to help restore their nutritional state.
Dr. Kondrot's extensive research has taken him around the world and places him in a unique position to share this knowledge through his two best-selling books, Healing the Eye the Natural Way and Microcurrent Stimulation, Miracle Eye Cure. Both books are solid introductions into his philosophy and practice. His latest book, The 10 Essentials to Save Your Sight, has received rave reviews.
My mission is to bring hope to the thousands of patients who are losing their eyesight. Don't despair. if you have been told nothing can be done to improve your vision. Change your diet. Begin to remove toxins from your body. Explore these alternative therapies that can act as a catalyst to improve your health and vision. It is my goal to improve your health and clarity of vision.